Welcome to Privileged Kinfolks Community. Privileged Kinfolks Community is a private Christian-based community that was established by a group of women with a great length of experience in finance, accountant, and information technology. PKC 6 core principles: transparency, accuracy, availability, reliability, integrity, and privacy. PKC membership. Private community. Privileged Kinfolks community upliftment and auto reinvesting. Mandatory security buy-in. No less than 2 payment methods to receive investment. Not required to bring 2. However, you are highly encouraged to participate in the uplifting PK community. PKC consists of 3 investments: PKC Rookie, PKC All-Stars, and PKC Hall of Fame. More details to follow. To participate, all members must start at level 1 and complete all 3 levels. Members must be 16 years of age or older. Name registered on the website must be your legal name. Members have 4 hours to invest. Weekly or bi-weekly investment pay-in and pay-out. Our mission is to provide an investment opportunity to achieve financial independence for our kinfolks in the shortest time possible. Great things in business are never done by one person. They are done by a team of people. See you all soon!